I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the PDF itself. Make sure it is digital text, not a scanned image, because Word converts text differently than images. Open Word and go straight to Options, then trust Center Settings to adjust how Word opens external files. This prevents automatic conversion triggers and removes some safety wrappers. Once done, check your familiar Open dialog. Use Open Browse and select the PDF, but do not double-click. This gives you control over Word's import behavior and conversion prompts. Next, you control the import. Use Open Browse and pick the PDF file, then choose any Open as copy option. This avoids altering the original. When Word displays its PDF will be converted dialog, decline conversion if you want to keep it non-editable, or choose read-only options. If the PDF is scanned, make sure you run OCR in a PDF editor first, because Word's internal conversion can create editable content unexpectedly. Using a dedicated PDF viewer prevents Word from reconstructing editable text. Finish by producing a locked PDF or adjusting Word's protection. Export a flattened or password-secured PDF from your PDF app so Word cannot reconstruct editable elements. And when you must use Word, go to File Info and set Protect Document to restrict formatting and editing. If Word continues to auto-convert, reset by closing Word, renaming Normal. Datum, and restoring Trust Center defaults. This clears persistent settings that force conversion. If problems persist, reinstall or repair Office as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.